Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. I am fine. So today is another hair review as usual. So today I'm revealing this hair from came in this cute box. Woo! When you open, see here. There are some goodies inside. You guys know when I see a wig that comes with goodies, I'm always on top. I'm always happy. Oh, look how cute this bag is. Oh, they kept the goodies in this bag. So, let's bring out the goodies. Wow, I really like this bag. You can use it as a makeup bag. Wow! In here there is lashes, comb, wig cap. Oh, brand. Ooh, thank God I'm going to change this one because this one, look at the back. So I'm going to change this one. And a card. And another card. Okay, 100% human hair is written at the back. You see, all the instruction about the wig is on this card. Everything you need to know about this wig is on this card. So this is the wig. Oh, how many inches is this? It's not written on it. You see, it was kept in this plastic bag to protect the hair. And also there's a net on it to protect it as well. See it's 4x4 lace wig. Okay, came with some combs, in-adjustable strap and inbuilt strap. See the inside, it's 4x4. Wow, and see the hair. Let me see if there is shedding. Trying to drag it to see if there's shedding. Okay, just little stain from it. You can see it, this little strand from it. So let me smell it to see. There's no single smell. Smell nice. So guys, this is it. See, it's 4x4. See, from here the lace is from here to here. But we're going to work on that. Okay, let me brush also. So if you're interested in getting this wig, the link will be on the description box, so check it out. The excess lace from it. Okay, let's do this. I'm trying to follow the hairline. You guys know I did not bleach the knot, so I'm installing the wig like that, the way it came. Okay, for example, say I haven't even glued it down, but it laps. Okay, but we're not going to leave it this way. I want to try and make a patty. I'll be so close here. I'm trying to figure out how I'll do this part. With. It's not exactly what I wanted, but I'm going to manage it like this. Okay, you see the part. So I want to create baby hair, then I'll glue it down together at the same time. pattern. I'm going to glue it down now. So I'm going to tie it down and wait for some minutes. So I'll lose the scarf from it. Let's see what we got. So I'm going to open the party. For this hair tutorial, so I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box. It's from Elfinhair. It's 4x4 and it's straight. So if you're interested, you can check that out. Okay, gorgeous, please, before you go, subscribe. Thank you so much for doing that, and click on that bell icon when you do so. And if you like this hair review, support your girl by clicking on the like button. Thank you so much for doing that. I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye. Ciao.